It secreted a hormone inside our head. Okay? Which is why at the front level, everybody loved it. Okay? But then when people went in deeper, from a productivity issues with that, they were significant. Okay? Usability issues, etc. In fact, they documented papers by Nielsen and Norman Group, which talk about what are the challenges with getting basic things done, which is much faster in your current Windows. That and more. Okay. Anyway, so we'll go forward with this. I want to talk about this principle, okay, in sync with you. Now, the challenge with doing agile UX work is you can't start sprinting immediately. Right? You know what a sprint is with an agile UX, right? You have to do first what is called a crawl, then the walk, then the sprint. Okay? The crawl and walk stages are where you build the strategy to the level, you build the appropriate vision, what you want to achieve, you have the objectives set together, you have done all that groundwork, you have done the research required from the user side as well to inform your design, then you move forward. Okay? Which means the crawl and walk stage will get outcomes from this work. For example, maybe page types or templates, which you can reuse to structure the entire design going forward. Often, companies go to this direction, where they start creating what is called pattern libraries. You know what pattern libraries are? Pattern libraries are where controls, where the different kinds of login boxes, all those different things are defined in terms of pattern libraries. Okay? Now, where this work is started, it becomes very extensive and often not well informed enough. Creating core templates which are defined through a UX process actually works much better. For a given software, you typically don't require more than 20 templates. Okay? They tend to take care of all the different kinds of page types you require. Another way of cutting down the time required as part of UX work is to start moving away from deliverables. Right? So we can safely say that most people in this room believe in UX. Okay? Nobody has to do the gospel down to convince you on this. If you believe in that, then you can cut down the fat on the deliverables like create a research report. Right? What do you care about from a user research report? What do you care about? The report? What do you care about? The insights. So the core thing which you care about from that is actually insight. Focus on the insight. How much time does it take to actually capture insights? You can actually capture insights in parallel of conducting the research every single day, which means the time required for constructing a report post that is 0.